now what are your customers getting besides a dog who is learning how to stop pulling on a leash? What else are your customers getting?
They're getting a calmer, more obedient dog, and
What are they getting when you send them that video showing them how they too can do it too?
they're getting fun throughout their day and adventure and peace of mind that their
And
dog
they're
really is having a good time.
and they're
They're
learning.
learning.
Yes, they're learning. They're getting an education because they
Hmm.
look up to you as the dog walker as
Hmm.
way more skilled and of an expert than an authority of dogs and dog walking skills than they are, right? They're like,
Hmm.
what do I know? So anytime they're like, my dog pulls me, they're barking up. If I can just get a dog walker to do this, that would be great. Some of them might be there, right?
Yeah.
And so if they're in that state of mind and then you come in like Superwoman and you're like, I'm going to help your dog stop pulling on leash. And I'm going to also share with you how to do that so you can do it as well when you walk your dog. So this way
Hmm.
we can partner up, we can be
Yeah.
the village to raise the dog
Hmm.
so that they are more balanced, happy, calm, content, less anxious on walks, right? Less
Yeah.
excitable on
Hmm.
walks. So that they're a healthier dog because they're more balanced mentally and getting the physical exercise and stimulation they need from all the scent, sniffing on the walks. I'm helping to balance your dog, and together we're raising a well-balanced dog. And so you see what I'm saying? I'm spinning this story. It's none of it's untrue, but I'm creating this story that you can give these clients, that you can paint that picture of that story on your social media, on your Facebook, on your flyers, or when you talk
Hmm.
to people at meet and greets, whatever it is. And you can start demonstrating to them right there at a meet and greet. This is how you hold the leash. This is how you get the dog to stand beside you. Whatever you
Oh,
can
nice. Yeah.
offer,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And while you're doing all that, you're just further establishing your authority, your expertise, your professionalism. This automatically makes you stand out above the hobby dog walkers,
Hmm.
above the neighborhood kid, because they're seeing now that not only is their dog just going to get their daily walk that they need, they're seeing how this plays an entire role into shaping a healthy, balanced dog and de-stresses them every single time they have to go take a walk. Now they actually might be able to enjoy the walk with their dog, right?